Good afternoon, everyone. Wylosuggs here. I just picked up this Ruger Precision in 22 LR, and I'm just starting to do some accuracy testing on it. So I figured, why not do something stupid? Let's just set up a paintball at 200 meters and see how many shots it takes to hit it. I'm gonna dial the scope up 7.5 mils, 6, 7.5. Now we're gonna get to work here. Shot number 1. That was right. Gonna try the same spot. Shot number 2. Right again? When you're trying to look for hits, I find it's best to use a green colored plate like everything else around it. No need to use any colors that stand out like yellow or orange. Shot number 3. Shot number 4. Hard to track. Shot number 5. Okay. Shot number 6. I think I'm shooting circles around it right now. Shot 7. Wow, that's a bad shot. Okay, looks like a couple left, couple right. I'm gonna hold a little bit right here. Shot number 8. Right of target. Going back onto my center. Shot number 10. The end of mag number 1. Oh, I hit something. Let's go check it out. Looks like we hit it and it bounced. So in case you guys were wondering, paintballs are bulletproof and steel proof, I guess. Damn it.